Hey guys, so I just want to give you guys an update. Today is starting my second week of my job, and today I am in Adairsville because we're meeting with a client, and I'm going to be here until Thursday, and I'm really nervous. I don't understand the software that we're using for this auditing thing. It's very confusing to me, so I'm very nervous about it and doing it. We'll just see how this goes. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. The other bad thing is that I'm staying in a hotel here for the week, and I just don't like being away from home. I'm sad. I'm honestly tempted that tonight I'm for sure gonna stay in the hotel room because I don't understand the software, and that's where the senior manager is staying, and so I figured if I have any questions I can easily ask her and stuff like that. But I may end up going back home for the rest of the week. We'll just kind of see. I just don't like it. I don't like being away. It's weird. So I have all my stuff packed and in the back seat, and we'll see how this goes. But I am excited about it. I'm nervous, but I'm excited, and I think it's going to be a good day and a good week, and it's going to be interesting to see how all of this works and all of that. So there is my week for you guys, and I'll try and keep you guys updated on how I'm feeling about it. I know it's kind of boring to just sit here and watch me talk to you guys, but I'm trying to keep you guys updated on what's going on in life. So yeah, I'll try and keep you guys updated, but I'll try and keep it interesting too. Yeah. Whew, hey everyone. So I just wanted to give you guys a lowdown on my hotel room for basically the next 2 weeks. So I'm gonna be here all next week as well. Sorry, I just changed into my pajamas, and then I was like, oh wait, I forgot to film. So I wanted to go ahead and film before I get in bed, because once I get in bed, I'm not getting back up. So I'll give you a quick rundown of my hotel room. Okay, so we have the door right here. So basically you walk in, there's a big mirror, place to put phone, wallet, keys, a Keurig, a microwave, a fridge, and then you come in here, you have your nice big bright makeup light, you have me, all my stuff, and then a pretty decent sized shower. The mirror kind of lets you not be able to see the shower, but that's pretty much it. Not too bad. There's the hair dryer. Okay. Then we walk in, we have my bed, there's a bedside table, closet with my clothes in it right now. All of my stuff right here. Y'all know I had to bring Tigger, so he came with me. Lunchbox, snacks. I'm watching Family Feud, table, that thing, and then we're back. So there you guys have it. That's my hotel room. Pretty decent, pretty nice, pretty clean. It's a Holiday Inn, so they're very impressive for a Holiday Inn. They have USB ports and everything, so not too bad. Just want to give you guys a quick rundown of my first day, actually doing stuff. I actually didn't do anything. I just trained. So tomorrow I should start doing the real stuff, so that should be more interesting at least. So today I just trained, but whenever I got to work today, my car decided to just stop working. And so long story short, because I don't want to bore you guys with all the details, Tyler had to leave work. He had to come and run the diagnostics on my car because we thought that my hybrid battery in my Prius went out again. Because and I'll insert a video of what my car was kind of doing right now. So as you guys can see, it started acting really weird, and it was making all these beeping noises, and it wouldn't turn on, or then it would turn on, and then the doors wouldn't lock. So long story short, Tyler came, ran a diagnostic on it. He had to drive an hour to get to me. Had to take the day off of work. and it turned out that it was the 12-volt battery that was messed up. Thankfully not the hybrid battery, so that was good, because that would have been more of a problem. So he took it to a like mechanic place. They said that they can't do anything because it's a special type of 12-volt battery. So then he had to drive to Rome from Adairsville and go to the Toyota dealership to get that done. So he did that. Then, so like it was just a whole ordeal, and it took literally the entire day. And then he came back. He and I went to IHOP to eat dinner. I thought about filming it, but it was too crazy of a day, and neither of us were like in the mood for it. So we went to dinner, and then he just got home from this day, and like he hasn't been home since 7 o'clock this morning. So it's been a long day for both of us, more for Tyler than for me, but that's how my first day of work went. Of like real work. But yeah, so we'll see you guys next time, hopefully under better and more interesting circumstances.